Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create AI-powered employee recognition messages. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by listing your team members' milestones or achievements, such as work anniversaries, project completions, or outstanding contributions. Open ChatGPT and type a prompt like, "Write a heartfelt appreciation message for a team member who successfully completed a major project ahead of schedule." ChatGPT will instantly generate a personalized message. You can further customize the tone by adding details, for example, make it formal and add a note about their leadership skills, or make it casual with a touch of humor. You can also create multiple versions of the message and choose the one that best fits your company culture. For team-wide recognition, ask ChatGPT to create a motivational note or a short paragraph for newsletters that highlight everyone's contribution in a positive tone. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.